Namaste everyone. Today we are making sprouted green gram curry or Muga molle randay as we say in Konkani. This dish is made during festivities as we don't use onion and garlic for this recipe. Let's see how to make this recipe. Transfer the sprouted green gram in a big bowl. I have taken around 1 cup of sprouted green gram here. I had soaked half a cup of green gram and it yielded up to 1 cup of sprouts. This recipe we need to de-skin the sprouts, so we need to soak it for 4 to 5 hours in enough water. After soaking for 4 to 5 hours, the husk will start to loosen, so we'll gently rub between our fingers to remove the husk. Swirl the water gently and the husk will start to float on top. Pour off the water with the floating husks or use a spoon or your hands to skim them off. Repeat the process a few times to remove all the husk. To make the masala paste, to a kadai pan, add coconut oil 1 teaspoon. Keep the flame on low heat. Once the oil heats up, add 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds and 4 to 5 Kashmiri or Badgi chilies which are not that spicy, and fry this until the chilies crisp up and the coriander seeds will turn slightly golden in color. Make sure to keep the heat on the lowest setting, otherwise the spices might burn and gives a bitter taste. Transfer this to a blender jar. Along with the chilies and coriander, add half an inch tamarind and 1.5 cups of grated coconut. You can use fresh or frozen coconut for this recipe. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add water as required and grind this into a very smooth paste. Add a little water at a time while grinding and make sure the paste is very smooth. The masala is done and ready now. As you can see how smooth the masala paste is, and the Badgi or Kashmiri chili has given such a nice color to this masala. To a thick bottom kadai, add the dehusked sprouts. As you can see, there are some sprouts with the husk on, which is perfectly okay. To this, add 2 cubed potatoes. I didn't de-skin the potatoes, that will help the potato to hold its shape while cooking. To this, add 1 cup of water or until the potatoes and the sprouts are submerged in water completely, and cook this for 15 minutes over medium heat. After 15 to 20 minutes, just check to see if it is cooked perfectly by pressing it between your fingers. Also check if potato is cooked. At this stage, the vegetables are cooked around 90% because we'll further cook it in the masala. Now add the masala paste to this one. Gently mix everything. Now do not add water at this stage. We'll add water later. So add salt as per your taste. I have used 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Cook this on low heat for around 8 minutes. Vegetables are mostly cooked. We just need to make sure that the masala paste does not have the raw smell to it. So after 8 minutes, the raw smell will disappear. Now let's make the tadka for this one. To a tadka pan, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. You can add ghee also, that's fine. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let the mustard seeds splutter. To this, add half a teaspoon of hing, 2 dry red chilies broken into pieces, and around 8 to 10 curry leaves. Fry this for a minute or so on low heat and then pour this tempering over the randay. Give it a good mix and there you go, your Muga molle randay is ready to serve. Serve it with hot rice or chapati or even dosa. It is good with everything. Please do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed already to my channel, please do subscribe, like and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching.